smaller businesses don't need processes, they're for larger businesses. But I mean, that's from my point of view just totally not true. What do you have to say about that?
I get that when a business owner starts a business day one, if they've come from a large organization, sometimes they're overwhelmed by all of the different things they need to do and then become accustomed to it. So, it's like different, wearing different hats. So, one second you're the marketeer, the next second you're the dispatch person, including the person making cups of tea. So therefore the visibility of the processes in a smaller business disappear. It just becomes, I'm doing activity A and that's feeding into activity B. But it's still hugely important, because if you are going to grow, or if something goes wrong, it's having that, it's trying not to keep everything in your head as a note to remember.